Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Wannes. Now I live in Belgium and it's getting spring, so I was thinking to get my jacuzzi out for the summer. Last year I had some problems. I had a little bit of space problems. Let me show you. So last year the jacuzzi was over there, all the way on top. But the door is over there, so it got a little bit close when you try to go outside. Now I was thinking to extend this stairs all the way to there, to the wall, with steel, some plywood, maybe some fake wood, and then put the jacuzzi over there, so I can still put a table over there and I have all the space I need. These are the pieces I did yesterday. I painted them already a little bit just to protect them from the rain. Now, as you can see over here, I welded them together because it were smaller pieces and I needed the big ones. Hey girls, what you doing? So now we're gonna take the bigger beam, try to get it out and cut it into pieces. Now this is the piece I need. Now I've got one little problem. It's a quite long piece. It's 4 meters. Do not know how many inches or feet that is. I'm really sorry, but it goes all the way to there. So I'm have to gonna move this one already. Okay, that was more heavy than I expected, but whatever, it's out. So now I'm gonna make 4 pieces out of this. The 4 meters needs to be 2 meters and I need to have 4 of them, so I'm gonna have to cut them lengthwise and I'm guessing make them half. I just need 4 pieces, so let's do that now. That was not that easy, but I did it. So I've got 4 exact the same pieces, almost exact the same. Now I'm gonna give them a paint job and then we're ready for the next step. Okay, so that's all done. For those who are wondering why I paint this now and not when it's all finished, it's just because when I weld this all together, it won't be easy to flip it around to paint all the other sides to make sure that every side is covered with paint. The paint I was using now is just a regular metal paint. It's a good one for instantly painting over the rust and all that. So I just brushed it up with some steel brushes and that's it. So we can go on. Now for these guys, this is gonna be the corner piece. So I'm gonna weld them together at a 90-degree angle. It's nice, it's easy. So I'm gonna measure them up and cut them off. Okay, now I've took the pieces to the front, and this is the corner that it needs to be. So now I'm gonna weld this corner all together, so it's one big piece, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, the corner is all done. It's not perfect, but I'm not a welder, so I'm more than happy. It sticks. It's one big piece now, so once painted, nobody will know. Okay, the main frame is where it's supposed to be. So now I'm gonna be welding on some plates down here to secure it in the concrete. I'm gonna weld on some pipes, some metal underneath that inside the hole, so we can fill it with concrete, and that will support the entire corner, I hope. And then next we're gonna be welding on some metal over here so we can bolt it onto the wall, and then the frame is done. Okay, the supports are being well done, so let me take a look. We've got this bolted onto the wall, so it can't move anymore. We've got an extra support underneath for the weight, and then we've got this welded on the underside, and then we're gonna pour some concrete over there. These are the supports that need to be welded in the frame, but first, before I weld them in, I'm gonna take these, the base flooring, and I'm gonna screw them onto this and then turn it around, because otherwise I won't be able to screw them anymore. So the base is completely welded together. These supports can hold as much weight as I can imagine. They're welded on all the way to there. Then we've got these base profiles screwed on from underneath. Next, I already did some paint black on the outside of the complete frame, as well for the support. Now, before we do the deck, I'm gonna do the electricity, because that would be so much easier now that it's completely open. Okay, the deck is all installed now. All we have left to do is put in the lights, connect it all and put on the power. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please press the like button. And if you want to see more of these, please subscribe to the channel, and I will be making these videos much more for you guys. If you have any questions, tips or any comments, please put them in the comment section below and I will be replying to them as soon as possible. Bye guys.